Good afternoon. This is Brian Split with Allendale here on Friday, March 25th, 2011 with your closing commentary for the week. Again, the big news today, we did finally get the confirmation from USDA that there was a very large purchase of U.S. corn. It was reported as an unknown buyer, but the trade will see this as China. And that purchase was 1.25 million tons of corn, a million of that being old crop. Now, we did see a buy the rumor, sell the fact reaction. Corn actually made its highs very early in the session today, right on the open, and did reverse to finish lower on the day. So May corn down 13 cents at 6.89.5. That is still up 6 cents on the week. New crop corn December down 9 1/4 today at 6.09.5. That was up 11 on the week. As far as soybeans go, we had May soybeans up 3 3/4 today at 13.58 1/4. That is actually down 4 1/4 on the week. Although new crop soybeans November up 6 3/4 today at 13.50 1/4. That is up 16 1/4 on the week. Wheat did finish lower today after starting higher. We had old crop Chicago May down 6 1/4 at 7.33 1/4. Although that is up 10 1/4 on the week, and also up 10 1/4 on the week was the new crop July Chicago contract down 6 today at 7.68 3/4. Again, the news in corn having a buy the rumor, sell the fact reaction. We did make a new high in the new crop corn in December by a penny today. The previous high 6.23, today's high 6.24. So as of right now, there is a potential double top in that market, and we may keep that until we get through this report next week, and that report could be the catalyst for either a short-term high having been made in this new crop corn or a move into some new highs, which would be bullish on the charts. We'll watch out for that. As far as the soybeans go, we are seeing rain in Argentina. That is slowing down harvest there. If you're looking at Brazil weather, it kind of depends on whether you're looking at northern or southern parts of Brazil, but northern Brazil looking better as far as their forecast. Still seeing rain in southern Brazil, slowing down harvest there. As far as wheat, we did finish well off the highs after corn reversed price action today. Kansas City wheat actually able to hold some gains today and finish higher on the session. So there was some spreading today, buying of Kansas City wheat, selling of Chicago wheat. And again, we are seeing concerns about the dryness in the plains, some of the moisture potential for next week being backed off in the midday forecasts. As far as the meat markets, we did have the hog and cattle markets sharply higher today. Looks like April hogs up 212 at 92.45. That's actually up 412 on the week, so good gains there. April cattle up 277 at 118.60. That's up 695 on the week. So we do have expectations of further growth in meat exports that are keeping these markets firm. Forecast for strong cash trade next week. Brought in some buying today, and also the funds were active here today. August, December, and February live cattle posting new contract highs on today's session. And again, we are continuing to hear talk that Japan will need to import more beef due to the situation that we've seen over the past couple of weeks. As far as outside market activity, looks like we are seeing the dollar very strong, up 58 right now. That's trading just a hair below the 20-day moving average and the downtrend that we're operating off of right now. So we are firm right now, but we are approaching some resistance there. Crude oil down about 21 cents today, closing just above $105 a barrel. Looks like the stock market is firm. The Dow futures up 50, S&P futures up about 6 to 6.5. Gold and silver were lower today with a strong dollar. You had gold down $6, silver down about 15 cents. And it looks like all the soft markets were actually higher except for old crop cotton, which was down. So that's your recap of the markets. Again, we got to pay close attention to what we have coming at us next week, and that's going to be the planning intention and quarterly stocks report from the USDA. I would highly recommend that if you're curious as to what you should be doing ahead of this report, if you're holding old crop or if you're concerned about some of your new crop potential here, give us a call, talk to a broker, ask them to do a marketing meeting using our position evaluator, and just try and get a picture of where you're at here in the big picture with corn and soybeans trading at the levels that they are. Again, our number 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538, and you can also look us up online at www.allendale-inc.com. And good luck trading to you next week. Thank you.